What is an accounting information system? An accounting information system, also called AIS, is a system used to collect, record, store, and process financial information. It helps businesses track their money and financial activities. In simple words, AIS is a system that manages accounting data. An accounting information system includes people, procedures, data, software, and hardware. People include accountants and employees who use the system. Procedures are the steps used to record and process transactions. Data includes financial information like sales, expenses, and payments. Software includes accounting programs used to record data. Hardware includes computers and devices used to run the system. AIS records daily business transactions. It processes this data to create financial reports. These reports include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. An accounting information system helps management make better decisions. It improves accuracy and reduces errors in accounting. AIS also helps protect financial data from fraud and misuse. Most modern businesses use computerized accounting information systems. AIS is used in small businesses, large companies, banks, and government offices. In simple terms, an accounting information system helps businesses record, process, and report financial information. Easy way to remember. AIS means a system that manages accounting information.